Hey beautiful, in today's video I'm going to be playing with the Polygel nail kit again. If you guys have not checked out my previous video, I created this nail set right here. It was my first time using it, so I will link that up in the cards and down below if you guys want to check that out. So this is the kit that we will be using, same one that I used for the first time. Well, yeah, the very first time I used it. And I got some new stuff. I grabbed the manicure machine and the tip clipper. So we're going to be testing this out. I'm going to be letting you guys know my thoughts on it. I also got this, it's called a picker upper. I guess you can, like, it's easier to pick up the gemstones and all that. So yeah, so first I'm gonna go in with some white tips. So you guys are asking me to do it this way, where I apply the tips and then the polygel. So I will be doing that today. So I'm just going to grab the tips, make sure that okay, it fits on this one, this one, this one, pretty much sizing my nails. And I'm going up in the machine because I'm excited to try this out, you guys. Like, I'm super duper excited. So I went in with this tool and I just pretty much just buffed my nail, and it did an awesome job at that. Like, it got in there, did the job. I was super excited. I didn't want to go with the file again since I pretty much did my nails like the other day, so I just wanted to just lightly just take away like the shininess and stuff like that, and this tool did that. This is battery operated, which is like because I'm gonna have to be buying batteries, you know. But anyways, now we're going to go into the glue, Beauty Secrets. Love this one. And I'm just going to just start applying my nails. Boom. All done. I wish I could rock them like this, but I just can't. I just can't. So I'm just going to apply the base coat that comes in the Polygel nail kit. And then I'm just going to cure them. Put them under the light. I did get this light from Walmart, and so far it's kicking booty. I love it. So I'm just going to make sure that all nails are cured, all that good stuff, and I'm going to go in with the Kiss clippers. I got this one at Walmart for under $4, and it's a lot better than the one that I had previous from Sally's. So yeah, so this one kicks butt, and it's under $4. So I'm just going to just cut them to the size that I desire. Then I'm just going to add more of the base coat, my whole nail this time, because when I first cured them the first time, I just did it towards like the tip area, but now I'm doing all of it. I did just the tips earlier so that it would stay like extra hard, you know. So now since I cut them down, I'm just going to apply it all my nails, and then I'm gonna cure them again, make sure they're good and ready so that we can begin. So I'm just going to cure my nails. I feel so cool, you guys, having this like polygel nail kit. You have no idea. So now I'm gonna go in with some spray, and I'm just going to wipe off the stickiness. I got the spray at the dollar store. Super convenient. Now I'm just making sure that they are all sized the same, and they were. I was actually pretty proud of myself. Now I'm just doing the same thing to the other side, just making sure that whatever I do to my right hand, I'm going to do to my left hand. Gotta make things even. You guys know I'm weird about that. I feel like I'm just like so I'm just I didn't want to just do one hand first and then the other one. So make sure whatever you do to one hand, you're doing to the other, making sure that you remove the stickiness. So I'm going to go in with a dark pink, and I'm just going to apply it directly on my nail, going in with the brush it comes with, and I'm just going to just move that around. I did use a little bit of alcohol. The other day, the first time when I used it, I used too much alcohol to the point where like it kept slipping a lot. So sometimes less is more. So this honestly took a while doing it like this, you know, applying it on the nail, and I'm just not pro status at it yet, you know. I'll get there, but I'm just not pro status. So I went in and I just pressed as much as I could with this one, okay, and then this one as well. I was like, all right. I watched some videos where people just boom, put it on, boom, they're done, but I just couldn't do it. But after you're done like applying it, make sure you're curing it after, all right? So I'm gonna go in with the dual forms that it came with, and I'm just going to make sure that like, okay, this one fits this finger, this one fits that one. Remember, it can't be the exact size. You have to give a little bit of room, so when you press down, it fits the nail. So I went in and used the dual form, and this was so much easier, you guys, so much freaking easier. And I literally like, the time was like in half. So I just added the polygel onto the dual form, cured it, and then popped that baby right off. Mira. Then you still see like there is some, you know, white on the side. So I just went in with a little bit of the polygel like this, and then just added it to the side. You see? So work smarter, not harder. So this really helped. So it really just made it a lot easier. It felt cool. But if you guys have any tips or tricks, let me know. But this one worked for me. Like, it really did. It was super easy. Even though I didn't get like the sides all the time, it was cool because I just went in with a little bit of polygel, fixed it, and that was that. So honestly, just do what works for you. If you find that this works better, do it that way. So after I cured them, I'm going to go in with the alcohol spray and just remove the stickiness before we start buffing and filing. So do I recommend this? No, I do not. Okay, this thing was 30 bucks. It was, no, it was poop. I was so mad. I got this one because I was like, you know, I'll just use this one until mine comes in the mail. I'm just gonna wait because it made me so upset, you guys. So I just went in with the nail file that comes in the polygel kit, and it works so much better, so much better. I was just trying to like save time and going with the nail file, the drilling one, but no, I was just mad. I was so mad. So I'm just gonna wait until I actually receive it. So what you're going to do, you're just going to just file, buff your nails, get the shape that you want, all that. If you need to add more of the polygel, add more of the polygel, because sometimes we'll like take off too much, you know, filing too much. But just make sure that you have like a really, really nice, smooth surface, okay? Like that. So just make sure, checking it out, go in, file, 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 and then make sure you're cleaning it off with alcohol after. So now I'm going to go in with this LA Colors nail color. I will link it down below. I don't have it in front of me right now, but this is so freaking pretty, you guys. When I seen it at Walmart, I fell in love. It is so freaking pretty. So I'm just going to just coat my whole nail, and I absolutely loved it. And make sure you get the tips too, because sometimes like the white be showing and that's just not cute. So make sure you get that. So I fell in love with the color. It's so freaking cute. I love baby blue, sky blue. The color's beautiful. So I went in with that. And then I'm going to go in with this. I didn't like this either. I was so mad. I feel like I didn't like the things that I was getting from Sally Beauty. So if you guys have like a cool gem picker upper, let me know. This one, it took forever. You guys are just, I cut it up and I edited it to where it looks like, oh, like, you know, like, oh, she's a chingona, she's picking them all up. No, it took forever picking them up. So here is this hand. I applied the top coat on it, then cured it. Nice. I like how that one came out. Now I want to show you guys my other hand. Now, I added a little bit, and I was like, you know, let's see if I can just do it like this without having to put the dual forms, okay? Because I was like, you know, I gotta practice. I gotta practice. I felt like I did this hand a lot better than I did my other hand. Like, that was so weird, and it's my left hand, so I don't know how I even did that. My brother's left-handed, and I always thought that was so cool, but yeah. Anyways, that's besides the point. I just felt like, I don't know how I did it. I think because I was like more patient or something, but I like how my right hand came out better than my left hand. I don't know, but I just wanted to show you guys. So just slow tapping motions, just moving the product around. I went in with the alcohol when I needed it to be less sticky, because it does get sticky when you need that alcohol slash slip solution. And then with that, it makes it so much easier to like really move the product around, you know what I mean? So take your time. If like, do this when you have time, like with the polygel, because I was reading some comments for some people were like, oh, I don't think I would have patience. It's so not easy, but it is a lot easier than acrylic, I feel. So just play with it when you have time, when you just have like you time, and I'm pretty sure we can get this down. So you see, I got bored, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do the dual form because it was a lot easier, and it was, you guys. It literally cuts the time in half. So I just added it on the nail, popped it in the UV, popped that baby right off, and then just added it where I needed it. So it's honestly, it's like super easy. Just pum 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 pum, pop it on, UV light, boom, done. Like, it's super easy. Like, whoever invented the dual form, wow, genius. I wonder who invented the dual form. Anyways, hopefully they're making bank, because this is like super duper easy. And my mom was asking me like if she could just put it on her regular nail, and I was like, yes, mom. And it would look beautiful, because like she already has long nails, you know. So anyways, I'm just doing this throughout all my nails. I only did my thumb, you know, freehand, and then the rest I did the dual form. So here's my nails. Look how nice they look, you guys. Look how freaking nice. And then I'm just gonna go in and start filing, gonna start buffing, all that. And now time to paint them. See, Look how pretty this color is. And it kind of reminds me of cotton candy with the pink coming through. Super cute. But I didn't want cotton candy vibes. So I went in and like, you know, doubled up on the nail coat and stuff. But LA Colors, they always be coming through with some really pretty freaking colors, you guys. This one I absolutely adored. I freaking love. It's a gorgeous color. And I'm wearing a glove because the other hand I already put the gemstones and all that, and I didn't want to like ruin it or get the file it on accident or anything like that. So I'm so freaking bougie. I'm so sorry. But yeah, make sure you get the tips so there's no white showing through, no pink showing through, and just blue. There's my nana. She's always in the room when I'm doing anything. She likes to see, takes notes, they're smart. So I'm going to go in with the top coat. Make sure you cover the nail, the top coat, very, very well. It's going to just seal everything. And then I'm just going to add some of the gemstones real quick because when I cure it, the gemstones just stick to it like magic. I don't know, it's amazing. So I'm just making sure that I coat them and then going in with the gemstones. I try to place them like the exact same so that they looked the same. And I think I did a good job. But again, let me know of a good gemstone picker because this one, oh my gosh, you guys, not happy about it. Not happy about it. But anyways, here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this set. I was super, super, super freaking happy with it. Like, I love the way it came out. I think it looks super duper cute. Let me know your guys' thoughts. I was really feeling my nails, like, and I'm still feeling them. I feel so cute right now. And then this is with my iPhone. I want you guys to see the difference. Now I'm looking at it, it looks kind of weird, right? Anyway, so here's the Snapchat. I was hella happy. That's when you know I'm happy about a set, is when you see it on like everywhere, you know? But I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Te quiero mucho. Bye!